Alright, so you want to make a gun here. I'm gonna make a gun and put the cube there. So you got, look, that there. That's the long piece. Let's say you got here. This is gonna be the grip. Gonna edge slide that down there. Okay. Got yourself magazine. Wow. Now that's a piece of technology right there. So you want to make some stuff on your gun that's like what, curvy and shit. Well, you could start right here. You could extrude this back here. You can select that and you hit Control B to do a bevel. God damn. You could select these here. You could do Control B, another bevel. Oh my god. That's looking pretty smooth. Want some more curves here? Oh, we want that curvy boy. And then like another thing I'll do is if you want to do curvy stuff, you start with a plane. So you make a plane and then you wrap the plane around something. So you extrude that and then you can add some curvature there. Let's say add some lines here. We're basically just wrapping this plane around the model, and then we can grab these here and do Control Shift B on a single vertice, and it'll do that. And there's that. And then we want to separate this with P selection and put it on its own thing. And to turn that into an actual mesh, we go to the modifiers while it's its own thing and do solidify and adjust the thickness and even thickness. Make sure that's selected. And now you have a thing. You got to make sure you apply it in object mode. And then Control J to bring it back to the model. And now you have a thing. You can turn that sucker into a sight. God damn, you got a gun sight right there. Yep. But yeah, basically just like bevels and planes, wrapping things around shapes. If it's like hyper organic, it's even easier because like you could just, if it's like already curvy, you could just like Shift D and then Alt S. Select faces that you want to be bigger, and then P selection, solidify, and boom, you got apply that, and then boom, you got this. And you could do a shear. Oh man, look at how cool and curvy that is, dude. That's the coolest gun I ever did see. So organic. And you could do a reverse bevel by doing that and then going over here and adjust the shape. And boom, you got this like crazy inverse bevel. It's pretty rad. Yeah, dude, that's a potato cannon if I ever did see one. Boom, shakalaka. Okay, so yeah, that's a little basics in curvature.